This is Nano Banana Pro, Google's new model. It is the first image generator that includes a reasoning step before it draws. Today, we aren't generating cute anime girls. We are generating blueprints. I am going to push Nano Banana Pro to its absolute limit. I'm asking for 3 things that usually break AI models: transparency, specific labels, and internal logic. I want a technical exploded view diagram of a mechanical hummingbird. Watch the status bar. It's not generating yet. It's thinking. It is calculating the mechanics before it renders a single pixel. Look at the result. Look at the text label. Wing servos, perfectly spelled. And look at the connection points. The wings actually connect to the motor. It didn't just hallucinate a bird, it engineered a machine. Consistency is the holy grail for designers. Usually, you are limited to just 1 or 2 reference images. Nano Banana accepts up to 14. Let's design the most complicated sneaker in history. I am feeding it a dragon scale texture, a specific neon green palette, and the full technical schematics of the prototype. Look at this. It didn't average the images out into a blurry mess. It mapped the dragon texture directly to the geometry of the shoe. This isn't just prompting anymore. This is infinite creative direction. And finally, this is the update that changes everything for office workers. Google is integrating Nano Banana directly into slides. Usually, fixing a deck takes hours. With this model, the goal is to just click Beautify. It analyzes the layout and redesigns the slide instantly. It's not just generating art, it's generating context-aware design. This integration is rolling out soon, and it basically kills the PowerPoint template industry overnight. We used to judge AI by how pretty the pictures were. That era is done. Now, we judge it by how smart it is. If you want to play with pixels, stick to the old models. If you want to engineer images, try this. Stop guessing, start reasoning. I've pasted every single prompt used in this video in the pinned comment below. You can try them right now. All I ask in return is a like on the video. Fair trade?